This 2025 Grand Design Momentum 344M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, TV, slide-out, microwave, leveling jacks, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum 344M is 15,910 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.